You can expect a lot from the 2021 Honda Accord Hybrid.
This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, heated seats, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS.
This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.